Hey beauties, welcome back to my Disney channel. What? And you are watching Disney Channel. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I am happy to be with y'all again. I am going to try to record. I always say that, guys, but it's just so hard. Like, editing is just so much. I'm just like, oh my god. I'm gonna try to record every single Friday for y'all, but we are back with another makeup tutorial. So here I am just going to focus on my eyes, on my eyeshadow, and get it all done and get it all cute looking and everything. So I have everything already on my face. I'm just going to focus on my eyes, and I am going to do an August look. So as we know, August is here. It's looking like the fall. It's looking really nice. I don't know, for some reason, like, I like the summer, but then again I like the winter. Like, I think it's just perfect timing whenever it comes, because like when summer's over, like, I'm already over it, you know? But then when winter comes, I'm like, I'm in for it. But then I'm ended up getting tired of winter eventually too. So I love the seasons because I can wear whatever I want, do whatever I want, and not get tired of it, because it's a season, right? You get over it and another season comes. So today I'm going to do an August look. We're kind of saying hello August. It's that month where it's like almost autumn. Not autumn quite, because obviously the fall starts in like, what, September? But it's just saying like, oh, hello August. Close to autumn, but not close to autumn, but yet still summer a little bit. So I'm going to be doing an autumn look. It's very simple, so it's for beginners. I'm not going to go all out and go crazy. It's going to be pretty simple for beginners, and you're going to be able to do it like if you want to just do it around your house, you know, in quarantine, you want to look good for your boo, you can do it. Or if you don't have a boo, you can just look good for yourself. But the palettes I will be using is the Jaclyn Hill palette and this palette right here, Rivera palette. The Rivera palette. I obviously I'm not updated with my palettes just because I have too many palettes and I haven't even used them, so why get more if I already have a ton of them? And yeah, it's just too much, guys. As I always go in with is my Beverly Hills primer. This one's really good. I've used it so far. I love it so far. Use it all the time. And this just obviously helps with the pigmentation and making your eyeshadow really stand out. So I'm just going to continue putting on the eyelid primer and making sure that it's around my lid, but I'm staying more towards the bottom just because everything is going to be on the bottom, and just make sure it's patted down really good. Primer all over my lid. I am going to go in with a lighter color just to make everything blend out better. I always do this just because I go in with the lighter color. And I'm sorry for my nails. I haven't got my nails done. It's quarantine. Don't blame me. Don't go after me. Don't be like, oh my god, look at this girl's nails. Like, she wants me to watch her and her nails are so ugly. Don't attack me, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this one. It's very light. It's called Silk Cream. Obviously you can see that I really... Now I'm just blending this color all over my eyelid, making sure that I blend it with the eyelid primer, just because I don't want any hard edges on my eyelid. And from the Jaclyn Hill, this is called Creamsicle. I just really like this yellow. This yellow is kind of like for summer mixed with autumn season, just because like obviously yellow, this color, the leaves, but then summer is like the sun. So I'm just gonna start packing the color yellow onto my eyelid. Make sure you pack it first, and then what I'm gonna do is blend it out towards the top. So just pack and blend until you get that color that you want. And if you want it deeper, just go ahead and pack more. If you want it a little bit lighter, you can add a little bit less. But I'm just gonna keep packing and blending, make sure that all the yellow is well blended at the top of your eyelid, which is the Inheritance. She cute. Brush. These brushes are from Do Color, guys, so I don't know. I mean, they don't have any kind of name on it, so it's just a little brush that I can use to grab this. And I'm wetting it just because it picks up more shimmer. And it sticks on better. So now I'm just gonna grab the yellow glitter and put it in the center of my eyelid, kind of make it look like a halo effect, and I'm going to blend out the sides. So I'll pack in the middle and then blend out on the sides. Use the Norvina palette. I'm sorry, I'm just using all these palettes, guys. I'm gonna wet it a little bit, and I'm gonna use the color Dreamer, and it's just like a very light shimmer. So I'm gonna put it up here to get my eyes going. Now I'm going to apply this shimmer on the top of my eyelid just to give it that pop and my inner corner. This really brings out your eyes. Just go underneath. I kind of need to look up, guys. Now for my under eye, I'm using a small blending brush, just making sure that I get all over under my eye, and I'm also blending it just so that there's no sharp edges. Lashes, I am going in with, what are they called? Jackie, and it's from AOA Studio. I really like their eyelashes, guys. They're so cute. This glue is the best, guys. I don't know if y'all have tried it before, but it makes your eyelashes stay on. To put my eyelashes on, I went ahead and let the glue get tacky just because it's better this way. And when I put my eyelashes on, I first put it in the middle and then I attach it to the other sides. And I use a tweezer to put my eyelashes on. From Lancome. Cute, fast. You can do it like within like what, 10 minutes? So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the other eye, and I'll be right back. Hey beauties, I am back and I did both sides. Now I finished doing my makeup as well, so now I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. I actually subscribed to what is it called? I actually subscribed to Live Glam not too long ago, and I get monthly subscription lippies every single month. I only pay about like $20 and I get 3 lippies every single month, and I love them so far, guys. Like, they come in these little cute baggies. Obviously I have like a lot of them, but they come in these little cute baggies and you get 3 lippies. So I already have like a ton already. There was this one time they gave me like a lip scrub, which was like really cute. So yeah, you get like lip scrubs, lipsticks, or liquid lipsticks, which are really, really cute. I actually saw like one of my influencers that got them all the time, and I was like, I got to get them, which is like Let's Do Makeup. The lipstick I'm gonna go in with is So Fly. So fly, so cool. Let me, girl, let me talk to you. I don't even know the words, but I'm still singing. And this is the color. And so I'm just gonna go in with this color. It's kind of like a tan. I love these lippies so much just because like when they dry, they don't dry hard. I hate lipsticks, liquid lipsticks that dry hard and they're just like ugh. Alright guys, let me fix my hair a little bit and look cute a little bit, and I'll be right back. As soon as I snap my fingers, guys, I will be all cute and dressed up. Alright guys, so I am done with my look. It actually looks pretty cute. Oh, she's thick. No, I'm kidding. But I hope you guys really like this look. It was simple, cute. If you don't have all these palettes, that's totally fine. Just find a yellow and some shimmer, some yellow shimmer, and you know, a little highlighter just for you to put in your inner eye and on the top, and you got yourself an August look. I actually look like a bad bitch. I don't know about y'all. I don't know, like I've never really felt like this, you know? No, I'm just kidding. I guess I just miss like getting cute, going somewhere, looking all cute. I mean, because obviously we haven't done it because of quarantine, but I miss this. You gotta slay this season that's coming up, guys. You gotta look cute. 2020 is a time for you to flourish and to just kind of make yourself come. That's what am I saying, dude? Like, guys, 2020 is your year. This year, I mean, it has been terrible, right? But it has brought in ourselves out. Obviously, we had to quarantine, we had to do all of that, but literally, it's like brought us out. It's kind of made our creative side come out and think of new things, think of things for ourselves, think of things for our family. It's just brought us out even more than just going to a job and doing everything you do. We kind of needed this little change just so that we can see what else we're capable of, if that makes sense. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate everybody who watches. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys all so much. If you have any more recommendations on another kind of look that you would like to see that's very simple, cute, I think I'm just gonna be sticking to like beginner style kind of things. I mean, obviously, like, I know that, you know, I can go all out and stuff like that, but I know a lot of people, like beginners, have trouble, you know, putting on makeup or doing like crazy things on your eyeshadow. But really, all you gotta do is just put it on there, blend a little, and you're looking cute already. For people who, you know, are struggling with just doing eyeshadow, like, I want to help y'all, just guide y'all through what y'all can do so that y'all can look professional as well. I'm not professional either, but I do have experience from like Morphe, working at the events and other events at Ulta. And you can find these colors at Ulta, guys. You can find them at Sephora, any place that literally has makeup. You can find these colors. It doesn't have to be the exact same palettes that I have. But yeah, guys, I definitely want to be sticking to more beginner tutorials, makeup tutorials, just so that I can guide y'all through whatever y'all want and whatever y'all need. And if you have any more recommendations, please put it in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it would mean so much to me. I want to keep doing videos, and I'm gonna try my best, guys. I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys really like this look, and I love y'all so much. Bye, beauties.